I discovered a crack in the gas tank of our Shindaiwa line trimmer. This top cover bolt broke a long time ago, so I don't need to take it out. Here's how the fuel hoses are arranged. I had a hard time getting these hex screws out. I ended up using a Torx bit that was really tight, and I pounded it in there and then cranked them off. And I just bought replacements at the hardware store. I ordered the parts from ShindaiwaPartsOnline.com, and they took so long to ship the parts, I forgot how to reassemble this thing. I made a few mistakes along the way, but I eventually figured it out. So yeah, you can see I have the 4mm hex screws holding the line trimmer together here, and I just kind of loosened them enough that I could fit the gas tank in place. It's about here where I realized that the carburetor had to be removed in order to use this new little metal standoff for the breather. So I reused the old metal standoff. I just unplugged the breather, put the new hose through the old metal standoff, and then plugged the breather in. Here's one of those dumb mistakes I made. Forgot to put the gas tank guard on. Here's another dumb mistake. I put these two bolts in before I put the cover on. If anybody needs to change their gas tank, I hope this helps. Good luck, guys.